Video 43 Word Problems in Predicate Calculus. Show that the premises everyone in this DM class has taken a course in computer science. Marla is a student in this class. Imply the conclusion that Marla has taken a course in computer science. Now we are going to solve this problem in two ways. First, on the left side, we are going to consider the domain as the set of all people. On the right hand side, we are going to consider the domain is set of all students in this class. Right. So solution. You can follow any one of the two problems. The domain is very important. Let the domain of x, domain of the variable x, be the set of all people. In this case, let the domain of x be the set of all students in this class. That is the difference. Here let C of x be x is in this class, and then has taken a course in this class. Computer science, I take S of x has taken a course in computer science. And the premises, what are the premises? Premises, everyone in this DM class, so premises for every x. When I write every x, this x refers to any people, need not be a student in that class, because x varies over the set of all people. So this is one of the persons. Now for every x, if he is in this class, then he has taken a course in computer science. This is the first premise. The second premise, Marla is a student in this class. So second premise is C of Marla. C of Marla means Marla is a student in this class. Conclusion. What is the conclusion? S of Marla. That is, Marla has taken a computer course. That is S of Marla. Now here steps, reasons. Number one, we'll consider the premise for every x, C of x, conditional S of x, premise. Now we'll go to from universal generalization to universal specification. That is, C of A conditional S of A for all E. This is universal specification from 1. C of A is equal to S of A 1. So for all A in that class, so we can take, so third one we can take A is equal to Marla in this one. C of Marla condition S of Marla. By taking A is equal to Marla in step 2, because it is true for all students. So in particular, this is valid for Marla. Fourth one, C of Marla, that is a premise, second premise, C of Marla. Now we have C of Marla, conditional S of Marla. So modus ponens using modus ponens in 4 and 3. Using modus ponens in 4 and 3, you get P is this, P implies P conditional Q, therefore you get Q. That is S of Marla. That is, Marla has taken a computer course. That is the conclusion. So this completes the problem, provided our domain of X be the set of all people. Here, if you let the domain of X be the set of all students in this class, so every student we consider is only in this class. Let S of X be, X has taken a course, in computer science, then the premise is, what is the premise? Every student in this class. So when I write for every X, automatically the X varies over the set of all students in this class. But whereas here this X refers to any people. So we put a condition that if that person is in this class, then only he has taken a course in computer science. Here every X we are considering is only students in this class. When I write for every X, this X refers to a student in this class. Therefore there is no need to write C of X at all. For every student in this class has taken a course in computer science. That's all. Conclusion is S of Marla. Marla has taken a course in computer science. Here steps, reasons. Number 1, premise for every X, S of X, premise. This we can go universal specification, S of A for all A. For all A means for all students in that class. This is universal specification from 1. Now third one, for all students taking A is equal to Marla. Because for every A it is true. So in particular A is because Marla, a student in this class. Right? A equal to Marla you can take, no problem. A is equal to Marla. So therefore you will get S of Marla. So only in 3 steps we are getting this. So this is easier than this one. So you can follow any one of these 2 methods. Both are correct. So in predicate problems, the domain is very, very important. So without having domain, we cannot write any step. So whenever I write X on the left side, that X mean any person. When on the right hand side by X I mean only students in this class. So this completes video 43 and also this problem.